The aluminum alloy is flattened to achieve exact manufacturing tolerances. Precision at this stage ensures structural perfection later. Every Samsung S26 Ultra begins with premium aerospace-grade raw materials. Each material batch undergoes strict verification before production starts. Advanced CNC machines create the precise frame geometry. Every edge is machined for strength and accuracy.
Computer-guided lasers cut the Samsung S26 Ultra frame profile. Micron-level accuracy is maintained throughout the process.
The machined frame receives a smooth, premium finish. Robotic polishing ensures consistent quality on every unit. Anodizing strengthens the aluminum surface against wear. It also prepares the frame for its final premium appearance. Every frame undergoes automated dimensional verification. Only flawless components continue to assembly.
The Samsung S26 Ultra display begins as an ultra-pure glass substrate. Clean room conditions prevent microscopic contamination.
Organic light-emitting layers are deposited atom by atom. This process creates the vivid Samsung display technology. Millions of pixels are patterned with extreme precision. Each pixel contributes to stunning image quality. Protective layers shield the OLED display from moisture. This extends long-term display reliability. Individual Samsung S26 Ultra displays are separated from master panels. Laser cutting ensures clean and precise edges. Each display is tested for brightness, color, and uniformity. Only premium quality panels proceed to assembly. The advanced camera system starts with ultra-clear optical glass. Each lens is polished to microscopic precision. Special nano coatings improve light transmission and image quality. These lenses will form the heart of the Samsung S26 Ultra camera system. The camera sensor begins as a highly refined silicon wafer. Advanced semiconductor processes create millions of light-sensitive pixels. Microscopic circuits are patterned onto the sensor wafer. Each pattern forms the foundation of image capture technology. Plasma etching creates the intricate sensor structures. Nanometer-level precision is essential for image quality. Every image sensor is electrically verified before assembly. Only fully functional sensors proceed further. The completed wafer is divided into individual camera sensors. Each sensor will power advanced imaging features. Camera sensors and precision lenses are aligned automatically. Accurate positioning is critical for sharp photography. The periscope zoom camera uses complex optical engineering. Prisms redirect light inside the compact module. The optical prism is installed with microscopic accuracy. It redirects incoming light through the zoom system.
Multiple lens elements create powerful optical zoom capability. Each lens is aligned to maximize image clarity.
The zoom camera is calibrated for accurate focusing. Automated systems verify optical performance. The zoom camera is calibrated for accurate focusing. Automated systems verify optical performance. Copper circuitry is etched onto the motherboard surface. These pathways connect every major component. The solder mask protects delicate circuitry from damage. It prepares the board for component installation. Automated equipment installs thousands of electronic components. Placement accuracy is measured in fractions of a millimeter. The flagship processor is installed at the heart of the device. This powerful chip will drive every Samsung S26 Ultra feature. The motherboard enters a controlled reflow process. Solder joints permanently connect the processor to the board. AI-powered inspection verifies every solder connection. Even microscopic defects are detected automatically. High-speed RAM modules are installed beside the processor. This memory enables smooth multitasking performance. Controlled heating secures the memory modules. Strong solder joints ensure long-term reliability. Ultra-fast storage memory is now installed. It provides rapid app launches and data access. X-ray imaging verifies hidden solder connections. Critical electronic assemblies must meet strict standards. The motherboard is powered on for initial diagnostics. Every circuit is tested before final assembly. The Samsung S26 Ultra battery starts with advanced lithium materials. Energy density and safety are carefully engineered. Battery materials are evenly coated onto metal foils. Consistency is critical for performance and longevity. The coated electrodes are carefully dried. This stabilizes the battery's active materials. Electrodes and separators are stacked with precision. This structure stores and releases electrical energy. The battery receives electrolyte and is permanently sealed. Strict controls ensure safety and durability. Every battery undergoes extensive performance testing. Capacity and safety are verified before installation. The iconic S Pen begins as a precision-machined aluminum component. Every detail is engineered for comfort and accuracy. The S Pen receives its advanced internal electronics. These components enable precise writing and wireless functions. The S Pen undergoes precision pressure calibration. Each unit is tuned for accurate writing performance. Wireless communication features are verified automatically. Only fully functional S Pens continue to assembly. The completed S Pen receives its final cosmetic inspection. Every surface is checked for perfection. The stereo speaker system begins with precision voice coils. These coils convert electrical signals into sound. Speaker components are assembled with microscopic precision. The completed unit delivers clear and powerful audio.
Every speaker is tested for balanced sound reproduction. Audio quality must meet Samsung's premium standards.
The vibration motor provides responsive tactile feedback. Miniature components are assembled with extreme accuracy. Each vibration motor is calibrated for consistent feedback. Performance is verified before installation. The cooling system begins with a high-efficiency vapor chamber. It helps manage heat generated by the processor. The vapor chamber is sealed and filled with cooling fluid. This enables efficient heat distribution during operation. The advanced cooling system is attached to the motherboard. Thermal materials ensure efficient heat transfer. The advanced camera system is integrated with the motherboard. Each module is positioned with micron-level precision. The camera system receives initial calibration settings. This ensures accurate imaging performance. The premium OLED display is aligned with the aluminum frame. Precision positioning is essential for a seamless fit. The display is permanently bonded to the device frame. The Samsung S26 Ultra now begins to take its final shape. The internal assembly process now enters its final stages. Precision adhesives prepare the device for battery installation.
The high-capacity battery is installed into the smartphone chassis. This battery powers the Samsung S26 Ultra throughout the day.
The battery is connected to the motherboard. Power can now be distributed throughout the device. The stereo speaker system is integrated into the device. Careful alignment ensures premium audio performance. The vibration motor is added to provide tactile feedback. It enhances interaction throughout the user experience. The audio components are electrically connected. Every connection is checked for reliability.
Advanced antennas are integrated into the frame structure. They enable high-speed wireless communication.
The antenna system is connected to the main electronics. This ensures reliable network performance. Protective seals are applied throughout the device. These barriers help achieve water resistance. Automated inspection verifies seal integrity. Even small defects are detected before assembly continues. The iconic S Pen is integrated into the device. It fits precisely within its dedicated compartment. All major components are verified before final closure. Assembly accuracy is checked one last time. The premium rear glass panel is prepared for installation. Clean surfaces ensure strong and flawless bonding. The rear panel is aligned with extreme precision. This step permanently closes the device. The rear glass is permanently bonded to the smartphone. The device structure is now complete. The completed device receives its first power-up. Automated systems begin comprehensive testing. The display undergoes final quality verification. Color accuracy and brightness are carefully measured.
The advanced camera system undergoes final validation. Focus, exposure, and image quality are verified.
Speaker performance is tested across multiple frequencies. Premium sound quality is confirmed.
Wireless systems undergo comprehensive connectivity testing. Every communication feature is verified. Water resistance is verified under controlled conditions. Sealing performance must meet strict standards.
Each smartphone receives a detailed cosmetic inspection. Only flawless units move forward.
The latest software is installed onto every device. Firmware and security features are fully configured. Performance testing confirms flagship-level operation. Every major subsystem is evaluated. Manufacturing and testing data are reviewed. Approved devices receive final certification. The smartphone receives its final cleaning process. Every device is prepared for customer delivery. Protective films safeguard the device during shipping. The finish remains pristine until unboxing. The completed smartphone is packaged with its accessories. Each box is prepared for global distribution. Every package receives identification and tracking information. This ensures complete product traceability. After extensive manufacturing and testing, the Samsung S26 Ultra is ready for customers worldwide. From raw materials to flagship innovation,